Hey my friends, welcome back. Yeah, in today's video, do something different. This time we're gonna paint again, but this time we're gonna use some other materials that TEMU was so nice to send me to test. And they actually sent me a whole variety of materials. We're gonna go over the whole thing, starting with a pencil sketch, then the acrylic underpainting, and then the final version in oils. Some of you might think now, what is TEMU? TEMU is a very large online marketplace where we have a whole variety of different categories, a whole lot of different items. Very affordable, high quality, free shipping within the first 90 days, also the free return, and up to 90% discount. And with my voucher code here, down below here, you will get $100 free on your first order. Yeah, you can use TEMU on your desktop computer, but I really recommend you to use the TEMU app on your cell phone, on your handy. Way easier. You have TEMU with you all the time. Yeah, go and get it. Yeah, I do the pre-sketch basically on a kind of a canvas plate using the pencils that they sent me. Yeah, we have two sets actually that I tried out. Lots of different grades of softness, different tools for blending, and some nice erasers we also had. Yeah, I'm just kind of using those materials here for kind of a black and white color rough, more or less. Just to kind of get into the mood of drawing, painting. And you see, I'm starting to sketch the whole thing. Looks terrible at the moment, I have to agree. Then I added some more darkness, some more lighter tones, and I took those blending devices here and came out really nice for kind of a rough color sketch, more or less. Black and white, I mean. Really nice quality. Yeah, then we start to paint. The palette knife here. And we started with the acrylic colors. You can see on the left side here. Some different brushes, some rounds, some flats, some very small ones. These ones here. Yeah, and I used the easel, small one, and started to mix colors for the first layer. The colors that I used here, and colors are really nice. Not too thin. They didn't dry that quick, actually. It's a big advantage when you paint with acrylics. And they covered really nice, as you can see here. Just one layer of color, and the white of the canvas was completely covered. A bit more of a yellow, and we had some more color of the sky. Then I'm mixing the other colors, as you can see here. Kind of a purplish base color. Adding now some orange color to it and getting a bit more warmer in those tones. And that's the big advantage when it comes to painting with acrylics. You can basically rework the whole thing immediately, more or less. Don't have to wait for any color to dry. Therefore, I did use acrylics in my early days for the first layer of color. It was kind of a nice experience to go back again. Having this quickness, this dries so quick and really convenient. Meanwhile, I do it with oils, the kind of first layer. But I kind of really enjoyed this quick acrylic process here. Yeah, see the brushes I'm gonna use here. Some detail shots here. Yeah, you see basically dark and light contrast, warm and cold contrast, quite a bit. Yeah, it looks at this stage very, not so nice, I have to admit. Just kind of the rough base colors getting in for the kind of a underpainting to prepare the whole thing for the next layer. Here I went a bit more detailed on this section here, kind of making it easier for the next layer of oils to cover a bit nicer, a bit better. Putting in the first rays of the sun here. The dry brush technique. Colors a bit thinned down. Yeah, then we finally grab the oil colors, you can see here, and start to mix the second layer of color. Actually on the same day. This is really, was really nice. Not having to wait another week or two for the colors to dry. And I do not rework the whole thing, as you can see here. I'm just adding some more detailed parts here and there, some more extensions on the clouds, some more lighter colors that we need to put in, coming from the sun in the background. And just adding a bit more fuzziness to the clouds, a bit more volume, a bit more finesse, a bit more details, kind of leveling out the whole thing. And you see the colors really matched very nice. There was no problem mixing the oil colors in the same way that I did with the acrylics in the first place. So I'm truly thinking about perhaps really kind of switching back to acrylics first and then the oils. Saves quite a lot of time, actually. And the brushes were really perfect. They did not lose a single hair. Very often when you get some affordable brushes, they spit out the hair like crazy. But here not a single hair was lost on the way. Really a big advantage. You see I'm using again the dry brush technique, extending the colors a little bit, blurring out the clouds. Here on the lower end I'm getting a bit lighter. Kind of correcting the first layer. I got a bit wrong with the acrylics. Then I'm dry brushing the rays from the sun a bit more. Like some darkness here and there in the clouds themselves. Just adding some more volume to the whole thing. Some more details here and there. And you see colors really cover very nice. Looks really like a beam of light. And you also see my technique of holding the brushes on the left side, all of them in just one hand, more or less. And then I grab another brush, flat one, and start to put on those wave details. You can see here. They're really nice. Those colors. And of course, an artist is never finished with a painting. Therefore, I go back and rework some parts, add some more things here and there, some corrections, some minor adjustments, readjustments. Adding some more volume to this part here. Yeah, also some more yellowish light from the sun. Yeah, lighting up this cloud part here. Yeah, putting on, putting back, rubbing it in. Back and forth process, more or less. Yeah, that's the finished painting. Yeah, that was the painting process. I really did like the whole process with acrylics, oils, and the pencils. The materials were really good quality, I have to really say. The brushes didn't lose any hair. It was really pleasant smell from the oils, from the acrylics. Some oils, they really do stink, but those were really, really nice. Yeah, overall, they sent me some more stuff, you can see here. I couldn't use it so far, but I definitely will use them for future projects. And yeah, really happy and highly recommend it. So that's it for today. Before you leave, hit the like button, the subscribe button, and also download the TEMU app on your handy cell phone. And yeah, you will not regret it. You will be able to get the best prices and the best items. Yeah, see you next time. Bye.